Hello YouTubers, today we're going to the Shell gas station with a Ryko Softgloss Maxx.
Have we reviewed one of these before?
Yeah, we have seen the Softgloss Maxx, but not right here. And it looks like it's the QuickWay food stores too.
Okay.
So let me go and get my gloves on.
Okay.
Look at this, we're gonna have to get the extra cleaning since it has 5 brushes. So I'm gonna go and hop out. There's a Ryko Smart Pay Station. You can roll down the window if you want. And I'll show you the menu
Which one did we get?
We got the Platinum Wash.
All right, with the rain shield?
Yep.
And a spot-free rinse.
Yeah.
Oh, it does have a wheel scrubber.
Yeah, and we got to get the bugs off since we drove 2 hours back from Waco.
Yes, that's right. We haven't washed it since.
Right.
Okay, this made a lot of sense.
Yeah, the other day when we were driving back from Waco, we carried a lot of bugs. Some bugs, but we already got to wash in Waco since we got bugs on the way there.
It does have wheel scrubbers. I see them.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is perfect. The perfect choice.
Yes, this was a great idea.
Yeah. You hear that squeak on the machine?
Yep.
Looks like that's the wheel scrubbers in the back. Seems like the back brush. Okay, there they go. Okay, here comes the top brush. Looks like there go the wheel scrubbers. See if you can see this.
You can feel that it's got good pressure.
Yeah, since it's throwing us left and right a tiny bit. Seems like those are the Ryko Slimline dryers.
They're what?
Ryko Slimline air dryers.
Have we had those before?
I think we have been to a Ryko with a Slimline dryer before. Even though the back brush needs to get worked on, like fixed, since it doesn't work good.
Right. Okay, is this the spot free or the regular rinse first?
This is the rinse, the regular rinse.
Okay.
I don't know what's it called since we haven't been here. Seems like we can hear the machine moving since there's a squeak.
Okay, it's dryer time?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
It's done?
Yeah.
Oh, we pull through the dryers.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought the dryers moved around us.
Right.
So how much time do we get?
Let's see if there's a timer. Probably not, which is weird. And look at these side dryers, they're going up and down.
Yeah.
And there's a leaf in the blower too.
Correct.
That's the leaf.
Just trying to get as much of the dryer as I can.
Yeah, for the windshield.
Yeah, there's no timer.
Right, which is weird.
I agree.
It seems like it did an excellent job though for the car wash.
Yeah, it's hard to say that it didn't.
Yeah, I
Are we
think
still getting dryers?
yeah, it definitely worked close to the Mr. Wisher's auto wash. And the Wash World Profile Maxx at Laser Wash of Euless. Looks like they're drawing them back.
Okay.
There go the Shell gas station with the store.
Yep.
But we'll go and unfold and I'll go and say goodbye to y'all.
Okay.
Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and bye YouTubers. This was a Ryko Softgloss Maxx car wash at the Shell gas station / QuickWay store. Bye.